Hello YouTube, this is Apple Unbox Review here today. I'm just going to be doing a little unboxing of the Apple iPad keyboard dock. Okay, so let's just take a quick look around the box to start with. Okay, so on the front we've got a picture of the keyboard dock with the iPad sat on it. If we look at the bottom, we've got an Apple logo. Look at the back, we just got the keyboard dock on its own, which says keyboard dock and 4 other languages. We got another Apple logo. There's nothing on the top. If you look on the bottom, then it just shows you a little picture of the keyboard dock itself. Compatible with iPad. Made in China. Designed by Apple in California. And then some other information there. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Let me just get my knife. Okay, so let's open that there. Let's just cut that there. Let's cut this side. Okay. It's kind of awkward plastic. Okay, so let's open the box. And there is the Apple keyboard with the iPad dock. So let's just take it out of the box. And in the box we've got some documentation which says iPad keyboard dock. Let's just take that out. We've got iPad keyboard dock, Apple 1-year limited warranty for Apple branded products only, as you can see there. Okay. Let's just look at this keyboard. Okay, so it basically looks like a normal Apple wireless keyboard, but if like any of you are wondering, should I buy this keyboard or should I just buy a wireless one? Well, I kind of recommend this one because it's got all the whole top row is iPad functions, which you're going to use, which you can see there. Just there. Yep. And basically, yeah, it's just 10 times, I would say 10 times better, because you can basically plug your, so you can like charge your iPad, you can use some music like for it with a line out. So let's just take the plastic off this. There we go. Oh, this is some goddamn fiddly plastic. Doesn't seem to be coming off. Let's just take it off like that. Okay, so I'll give you a run through a few of these keys. Okay, that's the home button. That's a spotlight search. We got, oh, get it closer to you. Home button, spotlight search, dimmer and brighter. We got the that's the picture from key. We got the on-screen virtual keyboard. We got a blank key there. We got the media functions, rewind, play, pause, fast forward. We've got the mute key there. We got the volume up. No, that's the volume down. The volume up, and then we got the lock key. So let's just see how it looks with the iPad attached to it. Okay, so let's just put that on there. Okay, so let's have a look at a few of these keys in action. Got the lock key, which it automatically comes up with my, you can see there, my passcode, which I should put in a minute. We've got, well, I'll just put it in now, so, okay. So we got notes there. If we press the home key, that takes us to the spotlight search, obviously. If you press spotlight search key, it takes you to spotlight search again. Let's go home again, and let's press dimmer, so that makes your iPad dimmer, brighter, obviously. And if we lock the iPad and press the picture frame key, put my code in again. Ooh. And there you go, press the picture frame key, and you get some photos up. Put that in again. It's kind of stupid. You go into notes, and then let's start a new note, like do some typing. If you're doing that, or if you want to go back to the virtual keyboard, then just press the virtual keyboard key, then your on-screen keyboard pops up. Let's go. Oh, we got a blank key there, which basically does nothing. Let's go to iPod and press play to whatever. Yep. So let's press Hullabaloo. Let's press Dead Star. Pause. Fast forward. Rewind. And you can do volume up, mute, volume down, volume up, and lock again. So this, I would say this is like a really good keyboard. The product that, well, this product here that I've bought, the keyboard dock, retails at £55, and yeah. Oh, and a few other features that the other keys still work, like Command A, which highlights everything, and then you've got Command C, Command V, which is paste. You got Control Z, which is undo. So yeah, it's a really good keyboard. So okay, this is Apple Unbox Review here today, and I'd just like to say thank you for watching.